Hello, this is a collaboration with Dragons and Dresses Crafts-Sortium for horror. Now, I had this box, it had booze in it, from Dragons and Dresses, and I looked at it and saw two things. One, if you've ever seen the film Big, Zoltar machine, and then B, this, what I'm making now. Now, this is horror with a twist, I think, because it's quite cute. Well, I think it's cute. I like stuff like this. I'm a bit strange. And I've decided to put just a little bit of slip, which is DAS and water, on the outside, just to make it look a bit weather-worn, aged, battered. And I'm painting it red, well, like a reddy browny colour and white, like carnival colours, because I'm making a freak show with food and everything. You get to feed the creature that I'm making. Now, I made some silicone moulds of bits and bobs that I needed for this, but mostly it's just made out of my own head or bits I've got left over. So this is very much a recycled project. I mean, I've used the last bits of polymer clay I'd got left out of a colour. I've used a sweetie thing that looks like one of them gumball machines. There's all sorts of recycled bits. So I've finished painting it and now I'm making my creature. Now this clay thing, the DAS, was something I was contemplating doing, and I changed my mind. It's just been sat there, so I thought I'll use it. And I've used my silicone mould to make two heads and stuck them together, and I'm putting them on top of this with some more DAS. So it's going to be a Siamese twin thing. Yeah, I say thing. It's very strange, but it's quite cute. I like it. I enjoyed doing it. Oh, I like anything like this. Just using your own imagination and just chucking bits together. It's brilliant. And also saving stuff from being thrown in the bin. This isn't the colour on the heads that it's going to stay. I have changed the colour a couple of times. I've used different ways of colouring it. But anyway, I'm going to leave you with some music just so you can enjoy the process and not listen to me gabble on. said in the caption, I'm using glue dots to stick it down in case I want to change the lights later, or, you know, if they break down, or I've decided that I'm going to use this for something else, then I can easily just remove them. I've also put a sign on the top. That is going to change too. And I'm going to titify the box a lot, putting little posters and stuff like that on. My desk is an absolute tip. I do apologise. But yeah, I've finished doing that, and now I'm putting bars on. Because, well, my creature has to be caged. It is a freak show after all. This could be dangerous, even with its baby faces. I know, I'm daft, I'm sorry. But I'm also making it as though the cage is being spragged apart, like the creature's trying to escape, so it's not perfect. It looks like it's trying to pull its way out. Well, I'm hoping that's how it looks to everybody. But I'm using a bit of wood glue and some little wood sticks that I've got, I think off Amazon. Yeah, I think I did. And I did have a gadget that cut them, but somebody's broke them. That's the gadget. They are broken. Yeah. That's a really good gadget. I need to get another one now. So, yeah, it works a treat. And I've used my pen to make them look metallic. But I didn't want them to look too shiny. So they are aged a bit. Because the silver soaks into the wood. It doesn't look so shiny. And as you can see, I'm looking through loads of little bits of piece of paper I've just downloaded off the internet. I do have the person's name. Oh, good grief. Yeah, it's something. Oh, it's so tiny I can't read it. I'll tell you what. I'll take a picture of it and I'll put it at the end. Because you can use them for free as long as you don't sell the images. She's got quite a few little bits and bobs I've had a look at. They're absolutely brilliant for what I needed them to be. Just, you know, like little leaflets that look like they're peeling off, looking a bit distressed. And I also got some others, but I don't remember who I got them from. So if that person does see them, please put your name in the comments, because I'm quite happy for you to know that I've used your stuff and get yourselves out there a bit more if that helps you. I mean, it's helped me loads just by using them, so thank you very much. And I'm painting the top red and the back, although I don't really concentrate much on the back. It's just I've got excess paint, so I decided to chuck it on because it didn't really matter. You can't see it because it's the back. And I've glued the light on with another glue dot, so again it's easy movable, so I can put more batteries in or take it away if I need to. You can see I've got loads of paint. I'm a swine. I've got paint palette. There we go. And I don't use it that often. I use my mat or I stick the paint straight on. I do whatever is easier at the time. I'm very creative, but I'm also very scruffy. As you can see, desk, yike. But I can't seem to work in tidy. I don't know how anybody does it. I can't. But I swear I'm ADHD. But I used this one backwards because I wanted to put my own sign on it. Basically a feed me sign. How much it's going to be, and I've aged it a bit, and I think I tear it a little bit as well. I can't actually see it from where I'm stood. Whatever I'm doing. But yeah, my creature is in there. You can't really see her very well. See them. Could be a boy or a girl. Could be both. I don't know. But yeah, I put some more red on because I didn't like it, and I needed another sign up here just to say who they were, because they need to have a name. So yeah, put some red on to make a sign, and then you put some yellow on over the top. I think I used my paint pen for that actually when it will dry. I did, yes. My writing's not great when I'm doing it with big pens. I like thin pens. I'll shut up because I'm waffling. I'm adding more paint because I wanted it to look like the creature was in distress. It's, it's bleeding. It's cut its paws. No. Legs. Tentacles. That's the word I'm looking for. Trying to get out, and so it's bleedy. And I'm putting some more posters on. Scrunching it up just so it sticks on a bit better, so it looks like it's been just scrumpled and it's weather worn and it's about to come off. And I'm using wood glue, using my fingers. I just use anything and everything. Some I write on and then decide I don't like it. But yeah, there's posters all over it. It looks very beaten, weather beaten. I'm tearing it while it's damp, so it's easier to do. So then it'll dry nice and crispy, I suppose. Yeah, it does dry crispy. That's probably not even the proper technical term. But you know what? My brain and my mouth do not work together. So yeah, I even used the end of this tool just to rip it. Just make it look untidy. But there's... I put more posters on, and when that's dry, I finish it off, and you'll see the photos. And here's me feeding machine, and I'm going to put some proper food in, and it actually works. So when you turn it, the food drops out. It's cute. I'm going to take some photos. They're coming along soon. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you liked it. And if you do, please hit the like, subscribe, and photos are coming somewhere. Bye.